Emerson students, this is Miss Gaber, and today we are going to do sort number 6, long vowels with word matches. So we've been building up to this for a while. We've taken each of these vowels and done their own sort with long and short, and now we're just going to focus on long vowels, but all of them together, so kind of mixed up. I'm going to go ahead and read these words so that you can read along. If there are any that you do not know the meaning of, you can ask an adult to help you. Tape, peas, bike, cone, cube, cane, beach, bride, rose, flute, snake, sheep, prize, smoke, suit, grapes, wheel, drive, float, and moon. Some of these words might be familiar to you from recent sorts that you've done. So I'm going to cut all of these out, and then I'm going to cut out my headings, and then we can sort the beginning of this together. All right, so over the past several weeks, we've learned a lot of different ways to spell these long sounds. So not only do we have to keep an eye on what letters are being used, but we have to pay attention to the sound that we hear when we say the word. So here's the word sheep. What sound do you hear in sheep? I hear E. And when a letter says its name, when a vowel says its name, that's a long E sound, long vowel. Sheep. And it's also spelled with an E, spelled with 2 E's actually. Okay, next is drive. Drive. I hear I saying its name in that word, so that makes it a long I word. Beach. This is where it can get a little tricky because beach has E and it has A. So now we have to really focus on what sound does it make. Does it make A or does it make E? Beach. I hear E. I don't hear A. All right, here's another one that has 2 vowels in the middle. E and A again. Peas. Peas definitely says E. Okay, now I've got this one that has a U and an I. We're gonna have to think about the sound again. Suit. Suit. Suit makes a U sound, not an I sound at all, right? Cube. Cube also says U. Tape says A. Cone says O. And I'm going to let you figure out what all the rest of these words are saying for their vowel sounds. I do want to help you with the sort and record part. One of the steps that we do is writing down our sort, but this one has so many headings that it's hard to even see them all in this lesson because I had to really squish them together. I don't want to squish all my words together that much when I write them out. So what I'm going to do is do some of my vowels at the top and some of my vowels about halfway down. So I'm just going to go ahead and write my headings. Long A, long E, about in the middle, and long I. And then I'm going to go down maybe about to here where that middle hole is in the paper and go to O and U. So now my headings are really spread out and I can write them down. Tape, sheep, beach. Of course, you'll have more than this when you're all done sorting. This is just an example. Drive. Under O, I have cone. And under long U, I have suit and cube. All right, you'll finish this on your own. Remember that there's a Ziploc bag for you to keep all this in because you want to practice this once a day this whole week. There are 5 activities for you to do in Canvas. You only need to submit one thing in your video submission on this page, but please take advantage of all 5 opportunities to learn with this word sort by doing one activity each day.